Hey, everybody. You've probably heard of TradingView, the go-to platform for charting and analysis. But a common question comes up: how much does it actually cost to trade on it? The answer might surprise you, because the cost isn't what you think. Let's break it down, straight and simple. First, let's get one thing clear: TradingView is not a broker. You don't trade with TradingView. Instead, you trade through TradingView by connecting your brokerage account. This is the key distinction. TradingView provides the tools, the charts, and the data. Your broker handles the actual buy and sell orders. So, your costs are divided into two main categories: your TradingView subscription and your brokerage fees. Let's tackle the subscription first. TradingView has a few different plans, including a free one. The free plan is great for beginners. It gives you basic charting, 2 indicators per chart, and some alerts, but it does have ads. If you want to get more serious, you'll need to upgrade. The paid plans, like Essential, Plus, and Premium, remove the ads and unlock more powerful features. For example, the Essential plan lets you use 5 indicators per chart and more alerts, while the Premium plan goes even further with 25 indicators and a ton more alerts. The prices for these plans vary, but they generally range from about $15 to $60 per month, with discounts if you pay annually. You'll have to decide which one fits your trading style and how many tools you need. Now for the second part of the cost: brokerage fees. Since TradingView is just a platform, your trading costs, like commissions, spreads, and exchange fees, are determined entirely by the broker you connect. Many popular brokers, such as Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, and others, have direct integrations with TradingView. The fees from these brokers can vary dramatically. Some offer commission-free stock trading, while others charge a few dollars per trade or a per contract fee for things like futures or options. It's crucial to research the specific broker you plan to use and understand their fee structure, because this is where the real cost of your actual trading will come from. So, to summarize, the cost to trade on TradingView isn't a single price. You're paying a subscription fee to TradingView for their top-notch charting tools and data, and then you're paying a separate set of fees to your chosen broker for executing your trades. The good news is, you can start with a completely free TradingView account and a broker that offers low or no commissions. Then, as your trading evolves, you can scale up your tools and your plans. Understanding this two-part structure is the first step to smart, cost-effective trading.